Before you put your prosthesis on for the day, take a moment to inspect your limb for any signs of redness, soreness, or skin issues. Make sure your residual limb is clean and dry before donning your prosthetic device. Before you roll your silicone liner on your limb, be sure it is clean and dry. Reflect the liner inside out, paying close attention to create a flat surface at the end of the liner. Once it is flat, position the liner flat against the end of your residual limb and continue to roll it on slowly. Make sure there are no folds or wrinkles. If so, you may have to roll it on and off a few times until you get it just right. When trying to feed the lanyard strap into the distal end of the socket, it may be helpful to gently bend the strap to encourage it to go into the lanyard channel. Then pull your limb into the prosthetic socket using the lanyard strap. Once fully on, Velcro the strap together on the front of the socket. When doffing a lanyard-suspended prosthetic socket, take a seat, undo the Velcro strap, and push the prosthesis off your limb. Then reattach the strap to itself and roll the liner off of your residual limb. When you take off your prosthesis for the day, take a moment to inspect your limb for any signs of soreness, redness, or skin issues. If you notice something that doesn't look quite right, you should probably set up a time to meet with your prosthetist for an adjustment.